Empowering pensioners with digital literacy. The Bharat Pensioners Samaj Initiative. In today's digital age, staying connected and being digitally literate is no longer a luxury but a necessity. Recognizing the need to empower pensioners and help them navigate this ever evolving digital landscape, Bharat Pensioners Samaj (BPS) has taken a commendable step in coordination with Tata Consultancy Services (TCS) to spread digital literacy among pensioners across the country. Workshops in Bangalore, leading the way. As part of this initiative, BPS successfully conducted two workshops in Bangalore on the 15th and 16th of July 2024, training 50 pensioners in the basics of digital literacy. The enthusiasm and eagerness displayed by the participants were inspiring, showcasing that age is just a number when it comes to learning new skills. Building on this momentum, 3 more workshops were held from the 23rd to the 25th of September 2024, training an additional 60 pensioners. These trained pensioners will now carry forward the mission with the Each One Teach One approach, spreading digital knowledge to others in their communities. The vision ahead, reaching every corner of the country. Bharat Pensioners Samaj, in collaboration with TCS, plans to extend this initiative to major cities across India, ensuring that pensioners from all corners of the country have the opportunity to become digitally empowered. The goal is to equip the elderly with the skills they need to confidently use smartphones, access online services, communicate through digital platforms, and stay informed about the latest technological trends. Why digital literacy for pensioners? In a world where technology is becoming increasingly integrated into our daily lives, it's crucial that pensioners, too, have the tools to stay connected, informed, and independent. Digital literacy opens up a world of opportunities, from staying in touch with loved ones through video calls to accessing essential government services, banking, and healthcare facilities online. Moreover, being digitally literate enables pensioners to engage with the world around them, participate in online communities, and explore hobbies and interests. The benefits of learning digital skills. 1. Staying connected. In today's fast-paced world, staying connected with family and friends is more important than ever. Learning to use digital tools like video calls and social media ensures that distance is never a barrier. 2. Access to information. Digital literacy provides access to a wealth of information, from the latest news and entertainment to educational content and online shopping. 3. Financial independence. With knowledge of digital banking, pensioners can manage their finances with ease, making transactions, paying bills, and accessing financial statements from the comfort of their homes. 4. Health and wellness. Accessing telemedicine services, booking appointments, and staying informed about health-related topics becomes simple and convenient with digital skills. 5. Lifelong learning. The internet offers endless opportunities to explore new hobbies, learn new skills, and stay intellectually active. Old is gold, wisdom meets modern technology. Contrary to popular belief, age is not a barrier to learning new skills. In fact, the wisdom and life experiences that come with age often make learning faster and more meaningful. Many pensioners have already proven that they are quick learners, embracing technology with enthusiasm and vigor. As we move forward, it's essential to recognize that older generations are not just capable of adapting to technology but are also eager to learn and stay relevant in this digital age. Join the movement, be a part of the digital revolution. We encourage all pensioners to embrace this opportunity and take the first step towards digital empowerment. It's never too late to learn, and with the support of Bharat Pensioners Samaj and TCS, you have a dedicated team ready to guide you on this journey. By participating in these workshops, not only will you gain valuable skills, but you will also have the chance to share your knowledge with others, creating a ripple effect of digital literacy throughout your community. The Each One Teach One approach. One of the most powerful aspects of this initiative is the Each One Teach One approach, where every trained pensioner is encouraged to share their knowledge with at least one more person. This creates a community driven effort, ensuring that the benefits of digital literacy reach as many people as possible. By participating in this movement, you become a catalyst for change, helping to build a society where every individual, regardless of age, is empowered to use technology confidently. Looking to the future, Bharat Pensioners Samaj's mission to spread digital literacy among pensioners is a noble effort that aims to bridge the digital divide and ensure that our elders are not left behind in this rapidly advancing technological world. With plans to organize workshops in major cities across India, the dream of a digitally literate senior citizen community is becoming a reality. Conclusion: embrace the change, empower yourself. To all the pensioners out there, this is your chance to step into the digital world and explore endless possibilities. You have spent your lives contributing to society, and now it's time to enrich your own lives by embracing modern technology. Remember, you are never too old to learn, and with your wisdom and experience, you are more than capable of mastering the digital world. Let's make this journey together and prove that age is not a barrier but an asset in this digital age. Bharat Pensioners Samaj, with TCS, invites you to participate in this exciting journey. Let's move hand in hand to create a future where every senior citizen is digitally empowered and ready to face the challenges of the modern world. S.C. Maheshwari, Secretary General BPS.